Hello friends, my name is Nayeem and I am from Bangladesh. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My motive behind creating this channel is to make easy to understand tech videos, and I want each and every individual whoever is interested in technology to be able to understand it in the easiest possible way. I post 2 videos weekly, but sometimes 4 or 5 videos in a weekly basis I upload in my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to the MD09 channel. Thank you. Now, hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to talk about a free video editor which is a very important for nowadays for getting any kind of content. The VSDC free video editor is a very premium video editor for all the content makers. The VSDC free video editor is a free video editor for making any kind of content for YouTube, Instagram and Facebook posting. So now we are going to start our lesson for learning VSDC free video editor. So that's it. So now I will go to my monitor. Now we can see the VSDC video editor, which is a very important for content making, is loading on my PC. So now I will go to my monitor. So we can see here the VSDC video editor is opening. After opening the VSDC video editor production, we can see here the interface of the video editor. We can see here the blank project, create slideshow, important content, import content, video capture, screen capture, and here we can see get no top features of this software. So if we want to make any kind of content, we have to go to blank project. If we want to create a slideshow, then we have to use the create slideshow option. If you want to import any content, then we have to use the import content option. If we want to make video capture in our PC or from other resources, then we have to use video capture. And if we want to screen capture of our PC, then we have to use this option, screen capture. So let's go to the blank project. If we want to make any kind of content for YouTube or other platforms, then we have to go to the blank project option. After clicking on the blank project option, we can see the project settings. Here we can see the project title, author name, publisher name, date, copyright, description, device name, resolution, frame rate, background, opacity, height, width. This height and width is the main portion of this project, because this height and width will be counted by the project option. Here you can see the frequency and the channels. So if we want to start our project, then we have to click on the finish option. After clicking on the finish option, we can see here the project interface. Here we can see the project interface. After clicking on this project interface, we can go to the interface menu option. Here you can see in the menu option, projects, scenes, edit, view, editor, export project, tools, activation. So we are going to use the free version of VSDC video editor. So there we do not need any kind of activation for this video editor software. Here you can see the editor option. This editor option is the basically main option for creating any kind of project. So we can start now. We have to go to the add project option first. After going to the add project option, you can see run split wizard, spirit, duplicate line, line tool, rectangle tool, ellipse tool, free shade text, subtitles, tooltip, chart, animation, image, audio, video. This is the main part for this VSDC project making option. Here we can see the add object. If we click on the add object, then we can take any kind of video, audio and image for our project. If I want to import any video on this ongoing project, we have to click here in the video option. After clicking on this video option, we can go to desktop, and here we can take our desired video and we can select it and we can import it onto our project just like this. After clicking on this option, we can see here the object position setting. So here we can see in these options by work area, from cursor position to cursor position, whole parent duration. Here we will start from the cursor position. So this will be default using by the software. To default position we have to use from cursor position, so we will click here OK. After clicking on OK, we can see the whole project is taken the video. If we want to big or small our video, then we can click on the options here. Here you can see we can drag and drop the option. So after clicking on this option, we can see the video is imported already here. So if you want to cut this video or split this video, we have to just go to the video layer option. Here you can see the layer 1, the video is imported onto layer 1 option. Here we can select our video, and if we click the cursor on the video, then we can see all the information about our video. Here my video is resolution 3064 into 728 pixels, frame rate 10 frames per second, audio track window media audio 9, frequency 4400 Hz, channels mono, duration 3 minutes 10 seconds 29 seconds, language track 1, bitrate 48 kilobyte per second. So all the information are loaded in the cursor position. We can see here. After clicking on this cursor position, we can go to the editor option. Here we can see the cutting and splitting option. If we want to cut any position of the video, then we have to select the cursor. After clicking on the cursor position, in which frame we can go by clicking the cursor, we can see here the cursor is selecting a frame by frame option. So we can see here the frame by frame option. After clicking on this cursor, we can select any kind of frame in our video. Here we can see the video playing button, play and pause scene button. If we click on this button, then we can play our video here. After clicking this button, we can see the video is playing. So we can select the cursor for selecting the frames. Here you can see the move cursor to next second, and here you can see the next cursor for previous second. If we click in the move cursor to next frame, then we can select the move cursor to the next frame. So it's a very important part for editing content and selecting the next frame. So we can see here the video is selecting by the layer, and we want to cut this area. Then we have to select the cursor position here. Then we can go to, by selecting this cursor position or the frame position, we can go to the editor option. Here we can see a split into parts option. The shortcut is Ctrl+K. So we can click on it After click on it, we can see the video is divided into two parts. So it means the video is already splitted. So after splitting two parts, we can see here the scene option. The video is also separated in two parts. So it's a very important for splitting any kind of video in any kind of frame rate or any kind of position of the video we want to select. After splitting this part, we can go to selecting the other parts, and we can also cut it by click on the editor option, and we can select the splitting into parts option. After clicking on this part, the video is now separated into three parts. Then we can see in the scene part option, object name, here you can see in scene 0 we can see the three parts of the video. So it is a very important topic for cutting and splitting any kind of parts of your video that you already recorded for making content. Here we can see the editor option. In the editor option we can see other tools like cut out frame. Here we can see the crop tool. These tools are very important for completing our projects. Now I will go to the add object option. If we want to import any kind of image here, we can click image option from here. Then we can select any kind of image from our desktop PC. Here I will select this image from the desktop, then click on OK. Here the offset position in the timeline is already selected, and here you can see from the cursor position this image will be added into a new layer. If we want to select it, then we have to go to OK. If we want to make a new layer, then we have to go the layer option, and we have to click on the add layer option. Then we can import any kind of selected portion of the video in the new layer option. We have to select here in the new layer option, then we have to click on the image, then we have to import the image into that layer 2. Here you can see if we want to maximize the image part, then we have to drag the image. So it is a very useful thing for our project for making our content. Here you can see the editor option. In editor option we can see the video effects. It is a very important thing for making our projects. Here we can see some important things in our content. If we want to make a like, comment and subscribe blue screen effect into a video, then we have to import a lower third green screen like, comment and share video into our video project. For this reason we have to go to now the three options here is provided: the video option, the audio option and the image option. These are the shortcuts option. If we click on the video option, then we can select a lower third video from our projects. Here we can see the subscribe lower button, so we can select it and we can import it into our project. For this we have to click on the open. After that we have to click on select OK. After clicking on this, we have to go to the layer option. Here we can make a new layer by clicking add layer. After clicking add layer, we can import our video onto that layer. After clicking on the lower third button video, we can go to the editor option. Here you can see the editor option. After going in the editor option, we can select the video effects. Here we can see the transparency option. Here we can go to background remover. After clicking on the background remover, we can go to OK. After clicking here, we can go to the chroma color. Here you can see the get the color from screen option. Here we will click it. Then we have to click here in the green screen. After clicking on the green screen, we can see the green screen option already removed from our video. If we just go to the scene option here, we can see the chroma key is already removed. So after playing the video, we can see here the subscribe option is already going on into our project. So it's a very important thing for making a video. Then we can go to just click on the project. After clicking on this project, we can drag our lower third button. After clicking on this lower third button, we can drag it into the position where we want to import this subscribe lower button. So we can import it into the left side of the project of our video, or into the middle part of the video, or into the left part of the video. Just right now I'm going to import it into the middle part of the video into my project. So it is a very important thing for making any kind of content for YouTube or other platforms. So we can see here it is a very important thing. If we want to separate our audio and video, then we can go to our project video. We can select the project video. Then we can go to the selected project videos left sidebar, where is the properties window. Then we can go to the split video and audio option. If we click on the split video and audio option, we can click here. After clicking this split audio and video option, the video part is separated from audio part. Here you can see the audio part, and here we can see the video part of our project. If we want to delete this audio part, then we can click on the delete option of our keyboard. The selected videos audio will be deleted from our project. So it's a very important thing for making any kind of content. After clicking this part of the content, we can see this is a very important for creating any kind of content for YouTube platforms or for other platforms. We want to publish our content. So it's a very important thing for us. Now if we want to make any kind of text effect into our project, so we have to click on the text option in the left side of the video. We can see here the text option is given here. If we click on the text option, we can see the text option. So after click on the text option, we can see the cursor position is selected here, so we can select OK. After clicking select OK, here is a plus icon is selected in the video. The object is a plus object. If we drag our plus object into our video content, then we can see a new layer will be fitted into our video option. So after clicking on the fitted layer option, new layer option, here we can click on the fitted video option. So here we are clicking on the clicked video option. So after clicking on the new layer option, we can write any kind of text into our project. Here we can see some texts are selected here. The selected text are written here. Just right now writing hello guys. After writing hello guys into our project, we can drag all the portion of the system, it means texts. After clicking text, we can see the texts are showing here. After selecting the texts, we can go to the editor option. Here we can see the text color option and the brush option. If we click on the text color option, we can change the text color. So if we want to select any kind of standard color from here, we can click on these options: the dark red option, the red option, the yellow option, the orange option, the light green option, the green option, the light blue option, the blue option, the dark blue option, and the purple option. These are the very important options for selecting the color of the text. If we click the green option, the color of the text will be green. So here we can see it. If we click the full text again, then we can go to the editor option, and then we can go to the brush option. If we click on the editor option, then if we click the brush option, we have to drag our new layer for fitting the texts. After selecting the texts, we can click here and drag here. After dragging all the text, we can go to editor option. Here you can see the brush color option. If we give any kind of background color into the text's background, then we have to click onto these standard colors. If we select the yellow color will be selected for the background of the text. So we can see here, if we want to increase the background color of the text, we have to just click on the spacebar option. The spacebar option from our keyboard we need to press here. So we can see here all the text's background is selected into yellow color. So it is a very important part for writing any kind of texts into our content. So that's a very important thing for our project. Then we can see here some other tools. If we want to make any kind of circle into our content, then we have to select on this option and then click on the OK option. Then the plus icon is selected here. Then we can make a circle option into our video. If we click on the circle option, then we can make a circle into the project of our video or into the content of our video. So here we can see a circle has already created here. If you want to write in the circle, then we have to just click the text option and we have to click OK option. Then we can write any kind of text here. Here you can see it. So it is very important. Just you to drag it by selecting. So it is a very important tool for making any kind of new feature or any kind of new selected part like circle part into our video. So that's it. These tools are very important for creating any kind of new shapes into our video. So we can see it here into our content. After creating all the parts into our content, we can go to the export option. Here you can see the export option. Here we can see the export project. After clicking the export project, we can export our project from the VSDC video editor. So here you can see our video is already rendering for completing the content, and if you want to publish our content from here you can see the 14% already rendered in the rendered option. So VSDC is a very important and a free video editor if you want to make any kind of content for YouTube, Facebook, or for any kind of other platforms. So that's it for today. If you like my video, you can give a thumbs up. It means like to my video, and you can make a comment in the comment option of this video, and you can give me a subscription if you like my video. I request you to share this content with your colleagues and friends. You can share this content into your Facebook platform and other social platforms. So if you share this video, then I can get some new subscribers in my channel. If you like this video, then you can give a like to my video. So that's it for today. Thank you very much.